In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in draw.io for Confluence and Jira. Let's start by setting the stage so you can follow along comfortably. Open Confluence and create a new page, or navigate to any existing page where you're working with a draw.io diagram. The goal is simply to have a page open with a diagram visible so we can practice the different zoom options. The same approaches I'll show work the same way when a diagram appears in a Jira issue or page, so once you learn them here, you can use them anywhere you see a draw.io diagram. Now, the fastest way to control zoom is with keyboard shortcuts. If you're on Windows or Linux, press Control and the plus key to zoom in, and Control and the minus key to zoom out. On macOS, use Command and plus to zoom in, and Command and minus to zoom out. Make sure your mouse cursor is over the diagram canvas when you press these keys, so draw.io captures the shortcut. This is ideal when you want quick, precise steps in or out without moving your hands to the mouse. If you prefer using the mouse, you can hold the Alt key and scroll the mouse wheel. Scrolling up zooms in, scrolling down zooms out. On a Mac keyboard, the Option key acts as Alt. This method is great for fluid, continuous zooming, especially when you need to zero in on a small cluster of shapes and then pull back to see the whole layout again. Just keep the cursor on the canvas while you scroll to make sure the diagram responds. You also have on-screen controls if you like visual buttons. In the draw.io editor toolbar, look for the magnifying glass icons with plus and minus symbols. Click the plus icon to zoom in or the minus icon to zoom out. These are perfect when you're presenting or recording and want to make your zoom changes obvious and deliberate without using shortcuts. When a diagram is embedded on a Confluence or Jira page, move your mouse over the diagram and a small toolbar appears on the diagram itself. Those same magnifying glass icons will be there, and they work exactly the same way. Hover, then click to adjust the view right in place. As you work, choose whichever method feels most natural for the moment. Use keyboard shortcuts for speed, Alt plus scroll for smooth control, and the magnifying glass icons for clear, click-by-click adjustments. With these options, you'll always be able to focus on the right level of detail and keep your diagrams readable and presentation ready in both Confluence and Jira.